Welcome back, friends. Our Play-Doh has spun in the mixer for 5 minutes, and see, it's all doughy and all mixed together. So now we can knead it and we can play with it. Put you there so you can watch how I knead it. So I'm going to pull it out of the mixer. And actually, I'm going to take my rings off so I don't get Play-Doh on them because it's a little warm now and a little sticky still. But when you knead it together, when you smush it together, the stickiness goes away. It's just because it's warm. Because we put that boiling water inside. So I have my Play-Doh out and I'm gonna knead it. I'm gonna smush it and push it and work it together on my cookie tray. Now at your house, you might have cookie cutters and you might have Play-Doh tools. I don't have any of those at my house. I only have them at school. And so I was trying to figure out what I could use to play with the Play-Doh with you. So I'm gonna knead it and smush it. And so I found just some little plastic spoons that maybe I could make ice cream, or I could make cookies. I could make anything I really wanted, or they could help me make a ball, and I could make a snow person or cakes. I don't know, maybe you have some ideas of what you could do with your Play-Doh. Sometimes it's nice to just squish it in our fingers, get our hands moving, get our arms moving, and so that way our body just naturally starts to calm a bit. And it's really fun to squish your hands, especially if you're having a hard day and you're feeling a little frustrated. Sometimes just playing with some Play-Doh puts a smile on your face. So I have mixed it and I have kneaded it. Now I'm gonna break it in half. So I have 2 pieces, and you might have less. I might make it in thirds. You might have a smaller container of Play-Doh than I have, and that's okay. I will make sure to bring this to school for us to play with when we get back to school. So I'm gonna smush it in my hands and I'm gonna roll it. I'll try to go slow so you can see. So I'm gonna roll it into a ball. And you can practice rolling it into a ball, or you can have a parent show you and help you how to roll it into a ball. Or ask one of your siblings. It's great to interact with your siblings and ask for help. It's okay if you need help. We all need help sometimes. So I have my ball, and what I'm gonna do is take the palm of my hand and I'm going to smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it. And you can smash it around. Ooh, I just thought of an idea. Now that I've smashed my ball, maybe it would be fun to make some pizza. I love pizza. Do you guys love pizza? I remember from being in the orange room with you guys that on Pizza Friday, one of our favorite days. Tomorrow's Friday. Ooh, maybe tomorrow you could have pizza for dinner. But you have to ask your moms and dads. So I'm gonna make some sausage. I made another little ball. And I'll roll this ball up and I'll make another sausage. And I could make another ball and roll it, roll it, roll it. And I could take the ball and I could, I dropped it. I could flatten it to make some pepperoni for my pizza. Oh, and our pizza needs cheese. So I'm gonna roll it like we roll a snake or a worm, but I'm gonna break it in pieces and pretend like it's my cheese on my pizza. What do you put on your pizza? I like spinach and tomatoes. I like lots of, and green peppers, fresh vegetables. I really like a veggie pizza. I'm gonna roll some more balls to put on. That one's a little bit big. I'm gonna cut it in half. Rolling it with my hands. And then you can even smush it between your hands to make the pepperoni for the pizza. We usually just get cheese pizza at school. Rolling, 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 and swooshing, smashing, pushing. That is a very large pepperoni. This pepperoni is big and this pepperoni is small. Maybe I'll see what I can make if I put it inside one of my cups. Can I smash it in my cup? I don't know if it'll come out. Let's try. I'm experimenting. I'm trying new things. I smushed it in. Now let's see, will it come out? Uh-oh. It might be stuck. Oh, it came out, but it's trying to go on the floor. That's why we sit. Are you friends telling me, Miss Erin, that's why we sit with Play-Doh? I always tell you, Play-Doh is a sitting activity, and I'm standing and almost dropped it on the floor. But I had made a very cool shape. I'm gonna try it again. I made a half circle. It's flat on the bottom and round on the top. A half circle. I wonder what I could do with my half circles. Maybe I can make a smaller one and see if I can stack them on top of each other. I'm gonna roll my Play-Doh and then I'll put it inside my cup. And I'm just smushing it and moving it around, flattening it inside my little measuring spoon. And then I popped it out and I made another half circle. And I'm gonna place it on top of the bigger one. Let's see, are these the same size? They are. I need a smaller one so I can have big, medium, and small. Let me find a small one. We'll use this guy because he can be washed too. You can pretty much use any kitchen instrument to play with the Play-Doh. Just ask your moms and dads first if you can use them. But really, many things in the kitchen, like a fork. Ooh, that would be fun. Maybe I should pull out a fork. You could use a fork to put impressions, meaning to press in. You're adding marks to, oh, now it kind of looks like a peanut butter cookie. Have you ever had a peanut butter cookie before? I used my fork to put impressions into the Play-Doh. And now it kind of resembles a peanut butter cookie, kind of looks like. Okay, so I have my little bit smaller measuring spoon. I still have too much in there, so I'm gonna smush it in. Smush, 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 push it. And then I'm gonna see if I can get it out. Getting it out is the hardest part because it's very stuck. It might only work with the plastic ones. That didn't work. So maybe I'll just roll it in a ball and put it on top. So I have a big half circle and a medium half circle and a small ball. Look at that. We did 1, 2, 3. I wonder how tall we could get it before it falls over. Let me use this scoop again. I wonder if we could keep adding half circles and if they would stay standing up. Can we build a Play-Doh tower? What do you think? Can we do it? So I have 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna roll another one and put it inside my measuring spoon. I'm gonna squish it and push it and knock it out, maybe. Knocking it out is the hardest part. It doesn't always want to come out, but that's okay. We'll just keep trying. We'll be persistent. All right, here's number 4. Uh-oh, it's leaning. Do you think it can take number 5? It's starting to lean over. Maybe because Play-Doh is squishy, maybe my tower can squish and hold itself up. Let's find out. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can get 5. 5 half circles on top of each other. Whoop. Okay, let's see. Can I put him on top? Oh, he's going over. Oh no, my tower fell over. That's okay. I can just rebuild it. Or I could smush it all together and make something else. I like to take the Play-Doh and pull it apart. feel it stretch in my hands. Feel it tear. And it smells really good. I've had fun playing Play-Doh with you today, and you can keep playing Play-Doh. But I'm going to go and finish doing some work because Miss Linda and Miss Peggy and Miss Erin have been working very hard to have stuff ready when you all come back to school. We hope to see you soon. Have a great day playing. Enjoy your Play-Doh. Bye, friends.